Step 1. Prepare the door. Door thickness SAD face 35 mm to 55 mm. Cross bore diameter SAD face 38 mm to 54 mm. Back set distance SAD face 60 mm to 70 mm. What you need. Step 2. Install the deadbolt. Measure the distance from the center of hole to the edge of the door. If 60 mm, install the latch. If 70 mm, twist the latch clockwise 45 degrees and pull. Then, twitch the last back to adjust and extend the length. Make sure the word "up" is oriented on top, and the T-shaped hub of the deadbolt is centered. Secure the deadbolt with screws. Step 3. Install the exterior keypad. Measure the hole diameter. If 54 mm, install the keypad. Adjust the lock cylinder to the vertical direction and then pass it through the lock hole vertically. Make sure the cable goes underneath the deadbolt. Step 4. Install the back lock. Remove the battery cover. Unscrew the screws and remove the mounting plate from the rear lock. Run the cable through the mounting plate. Insert the screws and tighten slightly. Align the mounting plate and the keypad before tightening further. Attach the cable to the back of the interior assembly. Gently tuck the remaining cable to the side of the tailpiece. Twist and adjust the rotation button of the rear lock to the vertical direction to ensure that the rear lock can be correctly connected with the lock core. Insert the tailpiece through the same T-shaped hub in the deadbolt. Insert and tighten the screw under the deadbolt first, then tighten the 2 screws above. Check if the deadbolt moves properly by turning the thumb turn. Insert the batteries. When finished, put the battery cover on. When twisting the button fails to lock the door correctly, press and hold the left lock button, 5 seconds, until you hear a drip sound, and set the lock to return to normal. Smart lock is now ready to use. When the button on the right is green, the door can be opened or closed through the button on the left. When it is red, it is not possible to open or close the door through the left button. Directly pressing the button on the left allows for electronic door opening or locking without the need to twist the button on the top. Step 5. Install the strike plate, optional. If needed, you can install the strike plate provided.